Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. All right, y'all. So I did a video about AliExpress being the bloodsucker of black women. So I ordered a pair of the earrings, and they came. I have a technique of how I'm getting them to take my stuff, my designs off. Can I tell y'all these earrings are straight crap? It's my design, but look how it looks. Y'all see that? It's all washed out. These was $2. This is the back. It's all washed out. And y'all know I don't have this particular design on hand right now. But y'all know my earrings. You see the color in my earrings? You see how that's all washed out? The reason why I want to do this video is because for the longest, and I'm pretty sure people that been following me know this, but for the longest, people have been stealing my designs. Like, and the crazy part is so, like, feel so bad to say this, but it's a lot of my own people. When I first started doing hand painted earrings, it was, I could probably count hand painted Afro stitcher earrings. It was probably about 5 designers that was doing them. Tony Daly, it was a sister named Jewel Africa. Tony Daly, Jewel Africa. It was Gemini Sunshine. It was a couple of people. I can't really think of them now. But it was just a few. I was one of the first people to bring a 3-inch Ankh earring on in 2010. I started doing earrings in 07. In 2000, I was the first. Like, if you Google hand painted Ankh earrings, I was gonna come up. I literally was #1 in the hand painted earring. The thing is, I understand that I have been doing YouTube videos, and a lot of my sisters that got inspired, you know, to do. It will make you, if you see something, be like, wow, I want to try that. So I know over the years, a lot of these sisters watch my videos. But we have became a world, everybody want things quickly. I was just thinking, for instance, I talked about this sister, I think her name was called Face of Nubia, and I went to her site, and I was gonna, her Etsy page, and I was gonna ask her, did she want me to feature her on Black Business Spotlight? And as I'm looking through her stuff, I see a pair of my head wrap earrings, and I'm like, it just like, wow. Like, I literally was gonna like feature this person, and then I see my work, and she told me that a friend sent her a picture of my work, and she just duplicated. Like, if somebody send you a picture, send me a picture of something, the first thing I do is I ask them, is they the owner of that work? And I tell them that if they say no, they just got it offline, I say, I can't recreate it, but I could create something in my style for you, but I can't recreate their work. So today I literally did copyright infringement on Etsy, and all the shops were black women, and they get those particular earrings, not the ones I just showed y'all. These was a pair of earrings I got called Dope. I know my handwriting. So they got them from Alibaba or AliExpress. I even seen them on Amazon. And Etsy done took down, I did about 4 or 5. I think they sent me 3. They took them down. Whew. The crazy part is, I know these sisters, I don't know if they know that they stealing art from black women and then selling it back to black women and making black women against each other. Because there's one particular sister today, when I seen she had my blessings on blessing earrings, They just that what they'll do. You know, y'all know how I do flip earrings. Let me see if I can show y'all. I do flip earrings. They don't. Sometimes they don't be the same on one. I don't really. Let me see if I got a pair over here in my area. Well, I can show y'all these. They not words, but y'all see these, and you see how this is a little different from this. So what they do, they'll take one and make the same as this. So and I know my handwriting, so it's like I write a lot of my things. One of my signature ways I writing is how I make my like I make a lot of stuff like tails. Like I always say, my mermaid tails. That's just like my style of writing. Like, see how my eyes is? They copy. Like, I know my handwriting. So it's like, but anyway, like this one sister I contacted today, and I see my earring, and I'm like, before I didn't even know who it was. I just was like, I just kind of went off, and because I guess I was just so kind of aggravated, and I'm like, that's my design. I didn't give you permission to duplicate it. Da da da. And then I sent her an email. And the crazy part, like on Etsy, if you send a person an email, you will see that they purchased from you before. And I see that she purchased a one-of-a-kind pair. And then, but once I seen that she purchased, I had already noticed that she got them from a little bit. After I sent the first email, after that, I went to AliExpress, and then I seen my earrings. It was the same one she had. So she said that she got them from Alibaba. But it was on AliExpress and Alibaba. So I made sure I told her I was sorry for the way that I came at her. It was just that these, you know, the Asians are taking my designs, and not just my designs. If y'all go on there, if y'all put in Afrocentric earrings, Afro earrings, so many other designers. It's like if you're in a certain field, you know other people work. And I've seen so many other designers work on those websites. On all those websites. I even found my earrings, a Peace of Mind, on a website, a wholesale website in Florida, like down in Florida. I had to contact them. Then I found them on Amazon. I had to contact them. And it's a lot of work. You can get this stuff taken down, but they're gonna still probably sell them to beauty supply stores and all that. So I'm handling it the best way I can. It was the first shop that I seen on AliExpress. She did take everything down except one picture. But you know what they do. They'll go create another page. They even had my design in 2012. My picture originally rooted was I won the logo for Lock Appreciation Day. They even had them over there. They had, and this person, then I got this guy. It was one guy over in China. I kept sending so much, so he finally contacted me back and said he was sorry. He was like, hey, I just sent all the pictures so he can go and take them down. So he did take some down. But I say, and you also got about 4 or 5 of my designs on your AliExpress account. Because I was talking to him on Alibaba. It's a long process of filling stuff out, sending pictures, copyright information. It's a long, but it's worth it, y'all. Because you have to fight. You can't let no one steal from you. And the crazy part, I know some of the women probably like, dang, I want to do because it's kind of like putting black women against each other. You have these women on Etsy, and they just trying to make a living. And then I go on there. It's like I could contact them and say, that's my design. And then a lot of times they don't even reply back to me. So I just start like just doing a copyright infringement, and then Etsy actually take it down. But it's crazy because it's like at one time in the handmade earring community, everybody knew each other and everybody kind of respect each other art. You knew each other work. And it's to the point when you go on Etsy, everybody work looks the same. Everybody work looks the same. Nothing is too unique. I always told myself I'm gonna always stay a hand painted earring person. Yeah, I'm sorry about that shaking. I always told myself that I'm gonna always stay hand painted. People tell me all the time, Unity, won't you get some of your earrings like mass duplicated so you just ship them out? Um, if I do that one day, it will be on my terms and it will not look like this. And I don't even know. I've been doing hand painted earrings for 11 years, so you see the colors in my stuff. Not like that. Look at that. It's washed out. So no, I've been firm with that. I don't know. I'm saying I haven't done it, and I don't think I've ever did it. I've been 10 years, going on 11 years of creating hand painted earrings. I've been creating hand painted earrings without a machine. And I don't have no problem with the machine because I'm getting a laser machine too soon. But all the designs that I create will be the designs that I come up with. They won't be nobody else's designs. They will be mine. And this mess right here, even though this is my design, this make me so mad. It make me just want to go over it and just make it brighter. Like go over all this right here. Take this out. You know, just redo it and make it mine. You know, because this is mine. They just stole my designs. But it's like these people putting black women against each other because it's like these women just trying to make a living. They thinking they buying from a wholesaler and they really stealing other black women designs and artwork. And it's crazy because on that site, it's all kind of Afrocentric stuff. Afrocentric towels, Afrocentric this, Afrocentric that. They just stealing our stuff and they sell it for really, really cheap. And it takes away from the artist because even if, okay, I charge $15 and up for a pair of earrings and you can get these for $2. Some people, and look, they don't realize that earrings have a direction. These earrings they supposed to be like that. The faces, but so somebody be like, I ain't finna pay that much money for them earrings. I'd rather just get a duplicated, a bootleg version, a counterfeit version. Look, it's all washed out. And then my pair like this has a cowrie shell. Let me see if I can show y'all a picture of my pair. Hold on 1 minute, y'all. I'm finna show y'all some. There go my pair. This is my pair right here. And then this the pair. And you see how they took this pair. This one. They didn't because they took this one and made it. Y'all see these? Blessing on blessing on blessing. See, one say blessing on blessing. And the other one say I feel so blessed. I'm finna show y'all. I think I took a picture. Look. That's my handwriting. See if I can find another one. These my dope earrings. They was all over, everywhere. Everywhere. They even had these. This was a logo that I created in 2012 for Lock Appreciation Day. They even had those. I even have a video on YouTube showing me drawing it. Look. This was on the site. My heart dropped when I seen this earring. They got these. This is mine. Let's see if I can find. They got these on the sites. And these just came out like 2 or 3 months ago. They grabbed them quick. They even got these, y'all. I made these earrings years ago. They done duplicated these. I know my handwriting. Wow. If you see here, they got my pair of earrings. You might can't see. 100% blessed. Blessing on blessing. Peace of mind. Then they even got my village earrings, y'all. Like my earrings, hold on. Of my little village. Look, they even got that. And they just took one design. I'm trying to see if they got, look, this site right here. Got my Peace of Mind earrings. You see this site? Look. They got my, look. I just showed y'all them. They did, this is their version. I think that's it. Let me see if I got any more to show y'all. Oh yeah, this is my version of those earrings I showed y'all. They even got these, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this day version. Everything going that way. Now this lady, she took everything. Lady, a man, whoever it is, they took everything off except a pair. So I gotta keep, you know, you gotta keep at them. This day version. See, that's their version. Y'all see how the things on the hut is on the same side. And then this my version. My hut's on opposite side. I mean, the earrings is, the ladies are totally different. The huts are totally different. I think that's it, y'all. But them some of the designs. It's more designs. But I'm getting them down as I can. And they need to be all confiscated. I told one lady she need to send every pair she got to me. And I would take them and just give them to somebody. Like, y'all not finna mess my business up. I will fight. I will fight. I will fight. And if, let me just say this, if it's any, I know this is a long unity moment, but if it's any sister that wanna do wholesale, there's a sister on Etsy, and I think it's called Fashion Lobe. Support her. She's a black owned. If you need wood, if you need if you want her to create your design, support her. Support that sister. One of my goals was so many years ago when no one was doing is to get a laser machine, and I'm still gonna get it. But until then, y'all support her, and then when I get mine, y'all can support me too. But for what I know, those are her designs. I buy a couple of pieces from her as far as like swirls and what else I buy? I buy some unks from her. So support, please support that sister. I put the link in the description box. Support her so you know that the stuff is not copyrighted. If you have any issues, like I need to look through her stuff, but the stuff that I got from her was like some unks, some what else I got? Some swirls. I can't remember else. I don't really get too much because I have a wood cutter that cut my wood for me, but I have been supporting her. So, but I don't know. Hopefully, none of her designs is not no one else's design. But go support her. Don't support those AliExpress, Alibaba, anything that sell Afrocentric stuff in bulks like that. They stealing from other artists. So please support her. And if I can find another laser cutter or wood cutter, if I could find another, I'll let y'all know. But hopefully soon, not hopefully, but soon within my lifetime, I get these laser machines so I could create some dope designs and have wholesale packages for y'all. And I also do wholesale, y'all. I do wholesale. It's hand painted, so it is gonna cost more. It's not gonna cost $2, but I do wholesale. So if y'all really want to support a black owned business, purchase from the creator. You know, not the duplicator. Purchase from the creator. All right, I hope I got everything out. All right, y'all. Gotta get back to work. Salam, salam.